In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring invoices with Autopay in QuickBooks Online. This is a great way to save time, keep your cash flow predictable, and reduce the back and forth of chasing payments every month. First, let's get to the invoicing area in QuickBooks Online. From your dashboard, go to the Sales menu and choose Invoices. This is where all of your existing invoices live. If you prefer, you can also click the New button at the top and select Invoice. Either option will open up a new invoice form that we'll use as the starting point for our recurring setup. With the invoice open, we're going to turn it into a recurring template. Look for the option labeled Make Recurring on the invoice screen. Clicking that will convert the current invoice into a template. Another way to get here is by clicking the gear icon in the top right, choosing Recurring Transactions, and then selecting New and choosing Invoice as the transaction type. Once you're in the template, give it a clear name, like monthly retainer or weekly service fee, so you can easily recognize it later. Then set the type to Scheduled. This tells QuickBooks to create and send invoices automatically based on the schedule you define. Next, let's configure that schedule. Choose the interval that matches your billing cycle. Daily, weekly, monthly, or annually. For most service or subscription businesses, monthly is common. Then pick the specific day you want the invoice to be created, such as the 1st or 15th of the month. Set the start date to the first day you want this automation to begin. If this is an ongoing retainer, you can leave the end date open. If it's for a limited contract, you can either choose an end date or specify a set number of occurrences. Now we'll set up autopay options. Make sure the box to automatically send emails is checked so your customer actually receives the invoice without you having to send it manually. On the invoice itself, confirm that the appropriate online payment methods are enabled, such as credit card or bank transfer. When your customer receives the invoice, they will see a link inviting them to set up autopay. From there, they can securely enter their payment details through the Intuit payment portal, and future invoices on this schedule will be paid automatically. Finally, fill in the rest of the invoice details, like the customer, products or services, quantities, rates, and any tax as usual. When everything looks good, click Save Template. That's it. Your recurring schedule is activated, and QuickBooks will now create and send those invoices automatically, with Autopay ready for your customer to use.